Good evening to one and all assembled here. It's me, Mrs. Yen Shabana Begum.
It's me, Mrs. Asha Arun.
We feel happy
to welcome you all. Coming together is beginning. Keeping together is process. And working together is success. Yes, dear parents, working together is success.
O.A. Battisti has rightly said that the best inheritance a parent can give his children is a few minutes of his time each day. With this optimistic note, we start today's program. Let us begin today's program by invoking God's blessings.
Prayer by R.S. Sarika of 10C.
Dear Lord, we thank you for this wonderful day. We thank you for helping us initiate this special occasion and for enlightening the CBSE board on the need to conduct separate exams for mathematics. Please to guide the parents to reach the correct conclusion. Guide the students to achieve good results in their 10th standard board examinations. Please to bless the teachers, the parents, and the students with good health and great peace of mind. Dear Lord, sharpen our skills and help us to come out of the comfort zone and reach greater heights in the near future. Help us make our parents and our teachers proud. All this we ask in thy holy name.
Thank you, Tanya. Now let us begin with the purpose of today's gathering. John Dewey has rightly said that if we teach today's students as we taught them yesterday's, then you're robbing them of their future. In this regard, CBSE always walks an extra mile for assessment as learning for a better and brighter tomorrow for your child. So in this regard, this present academic year, there are 3 C's in the forthcoming board examination 2019-2020. The first C is the choices. Yes, this academic year is a boon for the students. You have a choice of subjects in mathematics, mathematics basic and mathematics standard. And also there are multiple choices both for descriptive type questions as well as for objective type questions. The second C are the chances, again with respect to mathematics standard. How you would like to switch over from mathematics basic and then in your compartmental to your mathematics standard, which will be illustrated later by Mrs. Asha. The third C are the changes. Yes, this year there will be changes with respect to descriptive type questions as well as objective type questions. The number of descriptive type questions have been reduced this year and the number of objective type questions have been increased this year. Over to Asha for mathematics to illustrate more about mathematics basic and mathematics standard.
Thank you, Shabana. Without frittering away your valuable time, let me directly plunge into the presentation. Let us see what changes Central Board of Secondary Education has made in mathematics for 10th standard. There are 2 papers in mathematics recently introduced by Central Board of Secondary Education. The first one, as you can see, it is Mathematics Basic. Second one, Mathematics Standard. Mathematics Basic. What is this? Students who can take up mathematics basic would not be able to pursue mathematics as a subject in classes 11th and 12th. The same student who opted for mathematics basic can however opt to appear for mathematics standard in the compartmental examination, which will be conducted in the month of June-July, provided they pass mathematics basic. Yes, dear students, this is a boon for you. Mathematics standard, what is it? Standard level corresponds to those students who wish to continue mathematics as a subject in their high secondary or classes 11th and 12th. Now let's move on to syllabus. Syllabus will remain the same. Even the classroom teaching will remain the same. And now moving on to the attendance. 75% of attendance is mandatory for each and every child. Over to Mrs. Shabana for further presentation.
Thank you, Asha. Now we will be talking about a few changes which will be witnessed in the CBSE for this forthcoming academic year. If you take a close look at this slide, the changes in the year 2020, if you look at the year 2019 and 2020, you can very well understand that the number of descriptive type questions have been reduced in the year 2020, and not to forget the theory paper is for 80 marks and the internal assessment is for 20 marks. This slide clearly shows us the breakup of internal assessment, which is for 20 marks, pen paper test for 5 marks, multiple assessment, which includes quizzes, oral tests, visual expressions, etc., which is for 5 marks, portfolio, which includes classwork, peer assessment, self-assessment, narration and journals, which is for 5 marks, and finally the subject enrichment activities, which differ from subject to subject, which is again for 5 marks. So totally 20 marks for internal assessment. Now if you take a close look at this slide, it clearly depicts the breakup of English subject for 80 marks. This is the breakup of Hindi subject for 80 marks. The breakup of Tamil subject for 80 marks. The breakup of social science subject for 80 marks. The breakup of science subject for 80 marks. And the breakup of mathematics standard, which is the most expected one, for 80 marks. This is the breakup of mathematics basic, which is for 80 marks. Now let us take a peek at the next slide, which clearly compares the mathematics basic and the mathematics standard question paper. When you apply to remembering skills, you can see very clearly that the standard question paper will have only 20 marks, whereas the basic question paper will have 32 marks. When you apply understanding skills, the mathematics standard question paper will have 23 marks, and the mathematics basic question paper will have 28 marks. If you apply the applying skills for mathematics standard, it is for 19 marks, whereas for mathematics basic, it is for 12 marks. And finally, when you talk about the analyzing, evaluating and creating skills, for mathematics standard question paper, it is for 18 marks, and for mathematics basic question paper, it is only for 8 marks. This is the toughest level of answering for a child's perspective. And both the question papers carry equal weightage, that is 80 marks. Now this slide, it clearly tells us the procedure for filling the LOC form, that is the list of candidates. The first point, all the details should be filled only in block letters. The second point, full name of the student, parents or guardian should be entered. Third point, the date of birth entered of the student should match the birth certificate of the student. Fourth point, subjects should be double checked. It is very important with respect to mathematics standard or mathematics basic. Fifth point, parents need to provide an application duly signed to the school regarding the choice of mathematics examination, which is already provided to you, we believe. Sixth point, parents are required to sign the LOC form as well as the admit card once issued. Finally, dear students, education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. So, all the best, rise above the rest. Respected parents, at this juncture, I, on behalf of all the teachers, would like to give you a simple message. Please don't compare your child with any other child. Neither mock him, ridicule him, criticize him, nag him or pressurize him. Always try to boost him with a moral message stating that be yourself. Yes, don't frame his creativity. His journey of board examination should be a cherishable one and not a journey of burden. Let learning be fun and not burden. It's because every child is unique and special. Finally, I would like to say that parents are the biggest hope children have. Help them shine in their own lights. Thank you. May I now request our principal, Mr. M. Shantakumar, and our vice principals, Mrs. A. Arogyameri and Mr. C. J. Raj, to come on to the dais. Please, sirs, and please, ma'am.
டியர் பேரண்ட்ஸ், உங்கள் என்ன டவுட் இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் போய் கேட்கலாம். இங்கிலீஷில் கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணுறது உங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமாக இருந்தால் தமிழ்லையும் நாங்கள் கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ ரிகார்டிங் த பேசிக் மேத்ஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் மேத்ஸ், suppose any clarification on, you can discuss with us. Other areas also you can discuss. So தமிழ்லையும் நாங்கள் சொல்கிறது ரெடியாக இருக்கோம்.